What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're by Obut's house. You're by Matt, and he's gonna help me set up my sound properly. Let me show y'all. Got myself some 6x9s digital star sound, and then I've also got a new digital star sound 15,000 watt 12 inch with super wood box, as well as digital star sound monoblock amp. So until I can obtain a 4-channel, I'm gonna let the 6x9s run with the front speakers for now at the back of the radio, and then once I can upgrade the sound to have a 4-channel amp as well, then I will hook up the speakers onto the 4-channel. But for now, he's gonna help me set up this 12 inch with the monoblock amp, and then also hook up the 6x9s to the front of the car, as well as relocating the RCAs from the passenger side to the driver's side with a remote for the sub as well. But yeah, enough of me yapping. Let's get cracking. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but wow, I must say, this baby is playing quite nice. Oof. I must say, this freaking speakers are banging right now. We had to move under the roof because it was drizzling earlier. Didn't want to work in the rain, so we swapped around the Polos. Woo. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but wow, I must say I'm impressed. I'm loving it, and that's why I came to Big Bro, because Big Bro knows what he's doing when it comes to sound. Oof. Thank you, mate. Thank you, mate. Well, I gotta say thank you to the big bro for helping me sort this out. I must say, I'm happy. I'm loving the way it's playing right now. Clarity is nice, bass is nice. Oh, just perfect. I love it. Problem though was we were setting up the remote control for the amp, and we laid the wire the wrong way around because the two ends are not the same. So I still gotta sort that out so I can adjust the sub at least, but loving the way the sound is playing right now. Ooh.